Welcome to my channel, Indoor Garden Decor, enhancing your space with outdoor planting. In recent years, indoor gardening have become a popular trend. Again, natural enthusiasts and homeowners like people are increasingly incorporated outdoor planting into their indoor planting space are creative a refresh and vibrant ambition. They practice not only add a through to gardening but also bring benefit to our physical and master will binding. The power of indoor planting are more than just beautiful decoration than over a range of benefit than can inform you over our quality of life. First thing, then points are hereby harmful truth by original. This can help reduce indoor are creating homothermic life ambition addingly state studio have so then indoor planting come enhance competence and providing site level and ambition through with advanced and meet incorporated outdoor planting and your indoor decor because and appear other choose the right planting when select outdoor planting for your indoor gardening then ambition to consider their supplement for the outdoor enhance future such as light request, temperature, and space violet should be take into account. Some population indoor planting are there well indoor space planting snake planting popular and place litter then planting are cannot then planting are cannot are here to atmos and low lights consider and requiredly minimum main interest applying hand like bicycle and mint can also be great indoor promote and refresh creatively integration outdoor planting one you are just you planting it's time or think about how is incorporated theme into your outdoor space creatively one of fact where to display planting state and then can adding height and way interest to your indoor gardening, but also the planting or recover other lards and other popular other to creative living well verification gardening. This installed mute planting or attack post to be a violet or surface creative earthing green backdoor, then transforming a planting when into violet work to art. Care for your indoor gardening. Popular care is essential to keep your indoor gardening. I think outdoor planting are greenly and then state request speaks when grow indoor lighting in a crashing future for indoor planting. So make such to place theme in location then when recover lesson and envision enhance lighting other such as gray light weather request may vary any different planting special zone in plants to research the singular need for such planting in a water schedule ambition. The benefit of outdoor planting indoor. Bright outdoor planting indoor not enhance the aesthetic appearance of your living space, but also often space living the personally the person of planting indoor can improving air quality as then help remote into